Welcome to Cooking with Brashley. Tonight we have a special guest, MP. She's a TV personality, actress, model. What else are you?
Wonderful.
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 Wonderful. She is wonderful. And tonight we're going to be making her favorite meal. What is that?
Spaghetti Bolognese.
Spaghetti Bolognese.
Yeah, because my dad is Italian. En français, on dit spaghetti. In French, it's like a contraction of the word. We don't pronounce the S, and it sounds like spaghetti.
Spaghettis. Okay, we're going to be making spaghettis tonight. Okay, so MP and Brandon are going on a health journey. Okay, so they've asked us to make some of their favorite meals, but healthier versions of them. So tonight we're going to be making a twist on this traditional spaghetti bolognese. Okay, so we're going to be using zucchini noodles. If that's okay.
I've never tried it, and I'm so pumped.
Okay. We're gonna try and cook it with MP so Brandon eats it, okay?
Yeah.
Now, guys,
now I'm cutting.
Stop eating it! Stop eating it! We gotta cook this fast because MP's gonna eat his house at home.
Okay.
Okay. So for any other, if you do like this recipe, guys, make sure you check out our ebook. The link is below. We have a complete guide to eating healthy and being a healthier person. Okay. So without any further ado, let's get this going.
I want to eat healthy because I give up on
turn this on, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna saute. What is that?
Celery.
We're gonna saute celery. We're gonna saute carrots. So MP, you wanna get that celery chopped up? And Ashley, here,
Yes.
onion. Okay, get that chopped up. Now, I think what I want to teach you guys in this episode is with the new year coming. Okay, so what I want to teach you in this episode, with the new year coming, with everybody's New Year resolution, I think it's important that we all become a little bit more mindful of what we're eating, mindful of what we're doing.
Is that how you sound when you try to be serious and know what the shit you're talking
I
about?
don't know what I'm talking about. You are just trying. She's a hard
I still have the knife in my hand.
Okay, so MP's cutting up celery here. Celery and carrots, one of the two underrated vegetables. Okay, so for most of you who are stressed out or work out, MP flies a lot, I imagine. You fly a lot for work. Okay, so our bodies are missing certain nutrients, okay, vitamins and minerals. Now, celery is packed full of nutrients. Okay,
It's the most underrated vegetable.
Is it?
Well, thank you.
I heard that when you eat celery, you're actually losing weight just by digesting.
That's right. So it's got a heavy water content in it, okay? And that's where all the vitamins and minerals are kind of lay dormant. And what it does have is sodium and potassium, right? So electrolytes. So if you're working out,
Potassium there's also in bananas.
potassium in bananas, right? Not as much as you would in, well, actually, you know what? MP online, I don't know. It's also in avocados too. Okay, so it's also high in fiber, right, which can help our digestive system. And now carrots, I don't want to stick my hand here.
Go.
Carrots high in vitamin A. Vitamin A, beta carotene. Okay, so it's a heavy antioxidant, good for the holidays if we're drinking, anything like that. Good for stress and all that stuff. So this whole pasta sauce is gonna be packed full of vitamins and minerals, okay? So MP's getting the celery going. Ash, you got the onions. I'm gonna throw the onions in here. We got a pan here we've already preheated.
Put a little bit of butter.
Yep, a little bit of...
Because butter's good for you.
Yeah, butter's good for you. So we use grass-fed butter in this case. Okay, so it's a healthy butter.
What, you feed the butter with grass?
Butter, like she just takes it nice.
Literally just cows that eat grass all day.
Oh.
Right? All day, all night, and that's all they eat. So they're not fed any silage or anything like that. So they don't have a bunch of toxic substances in there. Okay, so we'll get the onions going here. Let's turn this baby up. MP, whenever you get the celery, you can throw that in.
Salt. There's some of my dad's sauce too. And you eat it, you love it.
You don't even know it's
Yes,
there.
I just eat it to be nice.
Okay guys, and this sauce is going to be fully homemade. So we're going to use our own Roma tomatoes. We're not going to use any of that store-bought crap, right? You want to make your own
fresh from
pasta
the market.
sauce? Yeah, fresh from the market, right? Because it's going to be no added sugars, no added additives.
Do you want to
You just
peel the
want
salt?
to carrot.
No, it's got lots of
No.
fiber.
Why not?
Okay, so
Because the skin, we've washed it, so the skin has a lot of extra fibers in it.
guys, if we're buying organic produce, you're buying organic produce, there's no need to actually peel the skin off because there's no pesticides or any chemicals in that skin. Now, if we buy organic produce, it's good to keep that skin on because there's a lot more nutrients in the skin. The whole foods, right? We eat whole foods in their entirety. So we'll grind up that
Other side?
No, you're good. We're gonna grate that carrot, okay? So the carrot, the onion, and the celery, okay, they commingle in the pot, and we're gonna start mixing them so these flavors start to come together synergistically, Kyle. Okay? So we'll let these roll through that.
What do you do besides talking?
That's what it is.
You just stop?
Spit out facts.
Oh, okay.
I don't want to be.
I'm the comic relief.
Nice.
You're real
No,
funny.
you're the beauty.
Yeah, she is.
Oh, okay. You're the
Beauty and the
And
Beast.
you're comic relief. I mean, you're actually doing everything.
Okay. So Amy's gonna get that going, and then we're gonna also add about 4 cloves of garlic after she's done that.
How many carrots do you want? One
Just the
or
one's
two?
good.
How many portions will that make?
Maybe about 3.
Okay.
Now that our celery and our carrots are sauteing, we're gonna toss in our grass-fed ground beef. We get all this ground beef from Butcher Box. Butcher Box, oh, glad you asked. Butcher Box is a company that delivers grass-fed meats and also poultry to your door. Check them out, butcherbox.
And it's like super good meat.
Yeah, and it's super good meat.
Yeah, the
Grass-fed.
That's the best meat you can get, right?
Yeah, the grass-finished meat is a lot better for you as a beef because it doesn't hold the toxins. You know, regular conventionally raised meat have a lot of fat in it, which the fat is where all the toxins are kept. Grass-finished is kind of where the cows want to be, prancing around and eating grass all day. Is kind of how cows are meant to be.
Yeah.
You know, there's a lot less
And they need
fat.
good mood.
Yeah, in a good mood, right? So there's a lot more omega-3s to omega-6s, which promotes anti-inflammatory properties.
Yeah.
Okay, so I gotta quickly get these in because those flavors are all mixed together. I'm gonna put my tomatoes in there.
And then we're gonna.
Yeah, we're gonna cook these tomatoes down. And we wanna add the garlic. Obviously, MP's cooking now. We wanna add that like near the end, right? We don't wanna overcook the garlic and take all the good properties.
What, the garlic and take the properties out of the vegetables?
No, so basically, if you overcook the herb, you'll start to burn it. It'll cause like a bitter taste, and it'll also start to ruin some of the sulfur compounds, which are like the cancer-fighting compounds. If you overdo it.
How much more garlic you want? All of it?
Yeah, all of it. I can do that if you guys want to get the zoodles going. But we got a little bit.
I always treat her doing that. Why do we crush the garlic?
So you crush the garlic, it actually starts to release that anti-cancer compound.
Oh.
Right? But if you chop it, it kind of does the same. Okay?
Is it small enough? I feel like I'm doing this week.
So guys, what we're using here is.
That's good.
Okay guys, so what we're gonna do here, this is a spiralizer. So I'm just gonna stick this in the end of the zucchini.
When you said stick, I wasn't sure where you were going with this.
And then I'm gonna put it in this end and I'm gonna turn it. So what it's gonna do is it's gonna make it zucchini noodles in replace of pasta. You can also do this with carrots, beets, parsnips, and turnips. For another pasta alternative, you can also use spaghetti squash that you wouldn't need to do this because you would just scoop it. So we're gonna start doing this to get our noodles ready, our zoodles.
Like Pete, how's that garlic coming?
Oh, it's going great.
Yeah?
That's great. Last time I used that knife, I slashed my finger straight open. All the way
Which
to the
one?
bone. This knife.
No, you look like you're doing good.
You don't remember? I was cutting an apple
Actually, wanna
with
stand
a
here?
sushi.
Okay guys, so our sauce is almost done. The tomatoes have all, I guess, cooked down. Our beef is cooked, so we're ready to add our beef in. Okay, we'll add our beef in here. Okay, and he's gonna,
Stir it up.
That sounds
she
nice.
wants everything over there.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll turn that off, huh, if you can. I'll throw this in here. And now it's just the finishing touches on our sauce, guys. So the beef is in. We've pre-cooked the beef and put it into the sauce. Now we're gonna add a little bit of tomato paste, so some organic tomato paste. Sauce it up a bit more, and then put a little coconut milk in. So you're gonna keep stirring.
Yeah.
So we can add a little bit at a time. You don't wanna add too much.
A little more.
Keep going. It's your sauce.
I like it saucy.
One more?
Yep.
Okay. Now I'm gonna add a little bit. Now we've never tried this before, but to make the sauce a bit creamier, instead of using a dairy product, we're gonna use a little coconut milk, which has some medium chain triglycerides, which are great for us. We'll add a little bit of that in, just to stir that in.
It's pretty thick. Should we put a little bit of water
Yeah, maybe we could do that. A little water.
to make it just a little more?
Just trying to figure out which one this on. Okay, so yeah, cooking is an experiment. You can experiment, add things as you go. Okay, and then as you guys, as we're gone, after break there, we grated some Parmesan cheese for the top. And Ashley has made some beautiful zucchini noodles. Okay, so we're gonna leave those raw. Okay, because a lot of the vitamins are in the watery part of that vegetable. When we cook them, it just gets too soggy. So we leave those raw, put those right on the plate. How's that? Do you want to try or? Okay, and then for the plate this, we've got some Parmesan. Oh, this right here. We got some basil here, so we'll put some basil in there as well. These fresh herbs. Add in there. Okay, so at the end we've put our herbs in. Okay, so we put our fresh basil in there. Okay, just to give some good flavor. What do you think? Coming?
Yeah.
Or do you need more? Okay, so I'll get this ready to plate. Almost here. No, we just leave them raw.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. You can steam them for a little bit, but they get really mushy.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's better to, and if you like put them in the microwave with a tiny bit of water for like 30 seconds.
Yeah, I'm sure that would work too. We usually stay away from the microwave as much
Oh,
as
that's
we
true.
can, but,
That's true. Yeah. Forgot about that.
another way to do it is to actually fry it up in the pan. So,
Like just dump it.
Sure. So we dump that on. Okay. And then for the piece resistance, a little parsley and add some Parmesan cheese.
We're at a lot.
Or add a lot. And we have our healthy spaghetti bolognese.
Voila!
Voila! Nice job. Good job, team.
We can hear you guys.
I'm calling Brandon for the tea.
Brandon!
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 Now let this stuff is better than that a little bit.
Come taste it.
Who made it though?
And beat it.
Oh, MP made it?
Yeah. It's super hot right now. Eat this one.
That looks delicious.
Okay.
It'll be super hot right now.
Oh, we like everything spicy, so we're gonna add
We get some homemade
your homemade
hot sauce.
hot sauce. Dump that in
Oh
there.
yeah.
Oh yeah. Dankeschön.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna make you a bite.
Low on it.
Lola wants a bite.
Make me a really nice bite. Lola wanted it too. Hey!
Is it delicious or what?
I can't taste it because it's so hot.
It's hot. That's so good.
It's hot.
Oh, you know, and I like it. I actually like it's almost like pasta salad.
Like
Oh,
Dante, right? Yeah.
Mm.
And that's actually touching on that. If you,
Like it makes them go like softer.
yeah. So the pasta sauce will start to cook up those noodles too. It's a good point. So there you have it, guys.
The
You have a happy couple. Thanks, guys. Until next time.
Arrivederci.
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 Arrivederci. Bye bye, les amis.